Okay, so here we go. We have our little test panel here. On the bottom on the left is the RO, which we'll run through again. This water is from the Salton Sea, which is well documented in California, also known as Salton Lake. On the right is fresh distilled water. This is being produced through this panel here with a patented membrane and frame and building tag. And then if you can see the tube here running up to that bottle here, that bottle right there is our sample water we took out of the Salton Lake yesterday. I got pictures of that and a video on that. So that's from the Salton Lake. You can see running down through the tube here. This requires absolutely no power for what we're doing now. We have a larger size scale setup video that we can demonstrate as well, although it takes a ton of memory. It's really simple.
So this is the distilled water here.
Here, yeah, Wally's going to explain it. Here you go, Wally. Distilled water there.
So this is the distilled water here, and this is basically the recycled water, so we can pour that water, if we wished, back into that jug.
Yep.
And then distill it again until the concentrate salt is down to about 25%, and then we'll turn it into solid salt.
And sell it to market.
Sell it. So you have no reject back into into your water source. And this whole thing here is a very small unit. You start talking bigger units, and the hotter that it is, of course, the more the evaporation rate. So we can run hot water through there, which we would with geothermal. We can double the rate. Doesn't look like much going in there, but it's only 1 foot.
But hey,
I can fit in my bag.
But hey, what did you say the world market for salt is? It's growing at what rate?
It's growing at 3.5% a year. One of the rare things that is of salt. One of the big places that claims to be a salt manufacturer is Hawaii, but in fact the salt gets made here on the mainland, shipped to Hawaii, stuck in a Hawaiian bag. Not so smart.
And what's it sell for right now?
I'm not too sure what salt is.
About 80 a ton?
Yeah,
is that the number Rich was throwing out there paying in Hawaii?
Wholesale, but in a little bag like this.
Right.
1 pound bag, $5.
Right. Okay, good video. So there it is. There's that panel right there. You can see it's not very thick. It's on a pitch of almost 30 degrees roughly. Probably ideal would be 25, but you can see by the drip rate here, it's about 1 for 1. You got the RO dripping at about the same rate as the distilled water. And of course, I'll drink that distilled water once that bottle's full, when we stick it in the refrigerator, let it cool off for a little bit. And there we go.